Hello, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this TCL Tab 10s device. First of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display in order for the control and notification center to be launched. In here, locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks just like so. After that, tap and hold on it. Once the Wi-Fi settings page gets opened, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. In my case, I'll go with the HardReset.Info 5G Wi-Fi network. After that, tap on it just like I did. At the network details page, you wanna select the share icon or tap on it. And once you actually do that, you got forwarded to the page where you have the actual Wi-Fi network password right below this generated QR code. So in my case, it's hard reset. That's the Wi-Fi network password. And from here, you have two ways of connecting to it. You can either manually enter the shown password, or you can simply scan the QR code. So here in front of me, I have Nokia Android device, which I'll use to scan it, to actually scan the QR code. So I'll open up the built-in camera Google Lens, get my frame aligned with the QR code, wait until it gets recognized, and as you can see, this join network button appears, which I'll tap on, and as you will visually see right now, my Nokia smartphone gets connected to the HardReset.Info 5G network without any issues at all. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.